Mamalis o kang Kapitan Ace Bosico atong duha ka mga MC, dili lang MC. Mayong iligan, mayong buntag kanatong tanan. Happy 114th Independence Day sa atong tanan. Akong pagtahod kay Mayor Lawrence Cruz, the best, the very best City Mayor Iligan ever had. Og nagtuo ko tungod bata pa man siya, 36 years old lang si Mayor, pwede pa another 3 terms pag human ay ang termino after Henry D. atong umabot na Mayor. Akong pagtahod sa atong mga 12, 14 city councilors, dili na ko tagsa-tagsaon tungod 5 sa ila, mudagan yun pagka-busy mayor sa Iligan City in 2013. With our support, with your support, nagtuo ko nga mosunod nga mayor sa Iligan City, mao si Henry D. O kung mosunod nga busy mayor, gikan gyapon sa atong partido. Ang atong mga barangay officials, first of all, allow me to congratulate the LGU of Iligan o ang atong ABC for a very successful Grand Tripod celebration. First time nga akong nasaksihan nga ang barangay council, ang barangay captain, ang barangay kagawad, mao ang nagpa-organize sa mao nga celebration. Ato pakpaka ng City Government of Iligan and the ABC of Iligan, headed of course by Titi Pacanya, Councilor Pacanya o si Kapitan Maris Ahmed o Pugaan o tanan nga mga miyembro. Nindot kayo ang inyong costume. Ang ayan kaayo si Barangay Kagawad Lagwing Luisma sa iyang attire, Katipudero. Ako po pagtahod sa tanan nga nanambong sa parada, mga lain-lain nga mga ahensya sa gobyerno, both local o national. Lokal, nadya ang Department of Public Works, ang Department of Education, o uban pa, tanan nga mga ahensya, departamento sa lokal nga panggagamhanan, dinanakos tagsa-tagsaon, from the military, of course, ang atong PNP, headed by Colonel Celso Regencia, from the 4th Mechanized Infantry Battalion, bago kayo, ang atong opisyal nga nabot, si Colonel Danilo Ibon, ang tanan nga sektor, ang kababainhan, ang kabatan-unan, ang senior citizens, ang farmers, ang mga cooperatives, may buntag, happy 114th Independence Day sa atong tanan, o mga NGOs, civic organizations, tanan, dili na ako sa tagsaon. It has been 114 years since our ancestors and heroes have fought for the love of country. On June 12, 1898, Philippine independence was proclaimed. 114 years ago, no one thought it could happen. But Jose Rizal and our many other national heroes thought otherwise. They once envisioned a Philippines that is free, and they made their vision a reality. Every year since Filipinos gather on the 12th of June to celebrate Independence Day, it is a national holiday for the entire country. No work, no class, everybody happy. But how many of us really know the true essence on why we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day because we know what it means to be free. Imagine living in a world without freedom. To live without freedom is to live not at all. The next question is, are we truly free? Is Philippines really a free country? Of course, the answer is a big yes. Freedom of speech is a very much alive. Every day in the Philippines, we see examples of these rights in practice. For example, the social networking sites like the Facebook and the Twitter, daghan mga accounts na grabe ang panaway sa uban, especially sa mga politiko. Usahay, below the belt na ang mga panaway. Diba? Ang pangutana, kini ba mga tao na naghimo ani pwede dakpon o prisuhon? No, because this is a free country and freedom of speech is very much alive. Unless tingali libelous ang ilang gipangsulti. Section 4 of our Bill of Rights nagingon na our Constitution guarantees 5 important rights to every Filipino citizen. 1. Freedom of speech. 2. Freedom of expression. 3. Freedom of the press. 4. The right of peaceful assembly. And 5. And right to petition. These 5 rights are very visible and very much in practice today. 5 more reasons why we celebrate Independence Day. However, today, kanina, giisutan ni Mayor ang tema sa atong Independence Day. National theme is kanang ingon niya na freedom from poverty and from hunger. Pero ang atong tema, lokal ni, gikan sa Dakbayan Siligan, gikan sa mga kabaranggayan, mao ang kalamidad, malikayan, kung ang kinayan, ampingan, iligan, tara na. I want to discuss a different aspect of freedom with what is happening with Mother Nature nowadays, especially after what Sendong did to our beloved city. It is important to dwell on the 3 important matters: freedom, environment, and number 3, responsibility. We all know that with freedom comes responsibility. To have freedom does not mean one can do what one chooses to do regardless of the consequences. That is not what freedom is all about. Real freedom is not avoiding responsibility, but embracing it, embracing responsibility. The exercise of freedom is appreciated more if it is done for the benefit of the common good. To be free is to be unselfish. Look at our surroundings. Look at Mother Earth. It is deteriorating minute by minute because of man's carelessness and selfishness. Our environment has been destroyed. But Mother Nature is not a martyr. She comes with a vengeance, like what happened to our beloved city during the Typhoon Sendong. It claimed thousands of lives and loss of billions worth of properties. That is why I appeal to all of you to be more conscious and aware of our environment. Today, we celebrate Independence Day and what it means to be free. But more importantly, please remember that to be free means to make good choices. To be free means to be responsible to yourself, to others, and most especially to your environment. And what the theme for today's celebration says, kalamidad, malikayan, kung ang kinayahan, ampingan, pinuod na siya. Let us care for Mother Earth so that we may truly be free. Free to live in a healthy and harmonious environment. That is our right. Kinanglan po, aduna tay responsibility matag usa ka nato. Dako akong pagtuo na kaya nato ni sa Iligan. We have seen the worst during Sendong. Iligan was at its lowest during that horrendous ordeal. But you know what they say? When you are down, there is nowhere to go up, to go but up. Iligan, bangon, Iligan, tara na. On that note, let me greet everyone happy 114th Independence Day. Mayong buntag ka natong tanan o daghan salamat. Unta, ipadayon nato ang pagkinigaw sa o panagkinabangay.